Hi, I'm Grady from Chopticon High School, and welcome to Be Your Best You. In this series, we gave you tips and tricks to make sure your school year runs smoothly. Today, we'll be telling you all the information you need to know about your school's open house for this year. Here's Sophie.
Hi, I'm Sophie from Great Mills High School. Great Mills will be hosting their open house August 26th with 9th and 10th graders 12:30 till 2 and 11th and 12th graders from 2 till 3. It is encouraged that students print out their schedules ahead of time from Hack, which opens August 25th at 8 a.m. It is also encouraged that students look at the online map to get oriented with the school itself. When arriving at the school, make sure to wear a mask and follow any other safety precautions. Teachers at the school will be providing school syllabuses and material lists for students to look at the classrooms. Lockers will also be on sale for $5. Stay safe and have a great school year. Now on to Sophia from Chopticon High School.
Hi guys, it's Sophia from Chopticon. This year, Chopticon's open house will be on Thursday, August 26th. Freshmen are to arrive from 12:30 to 1 and all other grade levels from 1 to 2. It is recommended you bring your phone or a laptop to log into Hack or bring a printout of your schedule in advance. Hack will open on August 25th. While you're in the building, make sure to walk around your schedule and meet all your teachers. And don't forget to stop by the cafeteria where there will be tables set up for clubs that you can join throughout the school year. We look forward to having you back in the building and having an awesome school year.
For those involved with Fairlead Academy or the Career and Technology Center, your open house will be on August 26th from 1 to 3 p.m.
Hi, this is Judy from Leonardtown High School, and I'm your student member of the Board of Education. Leonardtown High School's open house will be on Thursday, August 26th from 12:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. Please take advantage of this time to come out and see your peers, but most importantly, your teachers and staff members. This is a reminder that Leonardtown will not be providing paper copies of your schedule at this time. Please go on Hack the night prior to print out a copy of it or to take a screenshot of it. However, Leonardtown will be providing paper copies of the school map. This will be your best friend for the next 1.5 hours. Leonardtown can be pretty difficult to navigate, but remember that there will be staff members and students there to help assist you in locating your classrooms. Take this time to go talk to your teachers, look over the syllabus, and to figure out what school supplies you might need. Unlike middle school, Leonardtown does not provide school supply lists, so you need to talk to your teachers to figure out what you'll need for the school year. Also, don't forget to bring cash. Spiritware will be on sale in the front lobby. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have an amazing time at Open House.
And remember, take advantage of all the opportunities SMCPS has to offer. If we missed any information, make sure to check your school's website and like and subscribe to keep up with our tricks and tips. Have a great year.